Welcome to Care Palace. Today, we're exploring what makes people more vulnerable to infections. Understanding these factors can help you protect yourself and those around you. Infections occur when bacteria, viruses, or other harmful pathogens invade our body, and they can affect any part of our body. Knowing why some people are more susceptible can help us prevent them. Our immune system is like a shield that protects us from harmful invaders. When it works well, it keeps infections at bay. But, if the immune system is compromised, we are more likely to get sick. A weakened immune system makes it harder to fight infections. People with chronic diseases or those on certain medications, like chemotherapy or immunosuppressants, are at a higher risk. Age plays a major role in infection risk. Children's immune systems are still learning how to fight off pathogens, while older adults may have weakened immune responses. Chronic conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and lung disease make it harder for the body to fight infections. These conditions can wear down the immune system over time. A poor diet lacking essential vitamins and minerals weakens the immune system. Foods rich in vitamin C, D, and zinc are important for keeping our denseness strong. Stress produces cortisol, a hormone that suppresses the immune system. Chronic stress makes it harder to fight infections. Managing stress through techniques like meditation can help protect your health. Good hygiene is crucial in preventing infections. Washing your hands regularly, avoiding touching your face, and maintaining cleanliness in your environment can reduce your risk of getting sick. Being in crowded places or around sick people increases your exposure to harmful pathogens. Public places like hospitals, schools, and public transportation are common environments where infections can spread. Sleep is essential for a healthy immune system. Lack of sleep weakens the body's defenses. Aim for 7 to 8 hours each night to keep your immune system strong and resilient. By practicing good hygiene, getting vaccinated, eating a balanced diet, managing stress, and getting enough sleep, you can lower your risk of infections. Regular checkups with your doctor are also essential. By understanding what makes us susceptible to infections, we can take steps to protect ourselves and those around us. Stay informed and stay healthy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Leave a comment with your thoughts and share this video to help others stay healthy.